family from Santhor, a village in Tamil Nadu, recently arrived at a modern genetic lab. They are here to provide a saliva sample, seeking to settle a debt that has remained unpaid for 169 years. Their destination is the Banaras Hindu University campus. Inside the GAN lab, 4 descendants, including Kartikesh Rajaram Tiwari, are providing DNA to link their family directly to the rebellion of 1857. The family traces its roots to rebel sepoys from Liberelli, Uttar Pradesh. To survive the aftermath, they fled nearly 2,000 kilometers south. Across that distance, and through 17 decades, their ancestors' sacrifice remained central to the family's identity. A Canadian engineer named Samir Pandey discovered their story and put them in contact with Professor Gyaneshwar Chaubey, initiating this investigation. This saliva sample provides a biological record, exposing a truth the British Empire attempted to bury permanently. The events behind this search began in July 1857. At the Mianwali cantonment in Lahore, unarmed Indian sepoys of the 26th Bengal Native Infantry turned against British command. The mutiny began when Sepoy Prakash Pandey killed Major Spencer using the officer's own sword. The sepoys fled the cantonment and moved toward the Ravi River. They were exhausted and hungry, hoping to find support among the local population. Instead, they encountered local landlords from the village of Dadian and a watchman named Sultan Khan. These men offered food and water as a distraction while they alerted British authorities. British Commissioner Frederick Cooper arrived with his forces shortly after, ambushing the sepoys at the riverbank. While the British provided the gunfire, the betrayal by local informants ensured the rebels had no chance of escape. On August 1st, the captured sepoys were taken to Ajnala and executed. Commissioner Frederick Cooper recorded the details in his diary. He noted that because he did not have enough trees to hang the rebels, he dumped 282 dead and dying sepoys into a well and covered them with dirt. For over a century, official accounts and local rumors claimed the well contained victims of the 1947 partition, obscuring the colonial massacre. In 2014, an excavation of the Ajnala well finally brought the skeletal remains to the surface. Professor Chaubey's team at BHU began analyzing DNA from the recovered teeth and bones to determine the soldiers' true origins. This diagram compares the well's genetic markers to regional profiles. The soldiers' DNA perfectly matches the Ganges plain, contradicting claims they were local Punjab victims. When a British editor tried stopping publication, the scientific data was too definitive to suppress. The application of DNA analysis forced a long-standing colonial narrative to face the physical evidence. At the GAN lab today, the descendants from Tamil Nadu are waiting for the final results of their tests. The mitochondrial DNA baseline is already complete, and the lab is now processing the nuclear DNA matches. The team is cross-referencing the family's saliva samples directly against the DNA extracted from the remains in Ajnala. A confirmed match will provide the legal identification necessary for the government to return the remains to the family. The family intends to perform the tarpan, a traditional ritual that will finally allow the spirits of these soldiers to rest. These long-lost soldiers will be brought to the banks of the Ganges for their final rites. While an empire can bury bodies and censor its history, the biological connection between that well and these descendants allows a nation to finally repay its oldest debt.